How to connect Shippo to your WooCommerce site in just few minutes, right? I will show you, and in this tutorial I will show you easily that how you can just connect your Shippo to your WooCommerce site. So first of all, in the Google you have to type here Shippo and just click on this first link. When you click on this first link, you have to make an account. So just click on get started. To make an account, you have to just enter your first name, your last name and email address, and that's it. You're able to make an account, right? So here I have already made an account and I've already signed up. So here you are. If you are doing sign up for the first time, then you will get a notification to connect your store here. But if you're not getting, that's fine. Just click on this gear icon of the settings, which is on the top right. Once you click on here, you will get this option of store under this business. So just click on store, and here you can just connect your shop, your any of the e-commerce site, whether it's a WooCommerce, Shopify, Wix or whatever. So I will just click on WooCommerce to connect it. So just click on WooCommerce here, and here you can see check out our WooCommerce FAQ. That's fine. Here you have to enter your store URL. So you have to enter your store URL basically the domain. So I will just enter here, right? And once you enter, make sure that your store is active. So if your store is not active, it will not able to connect with your store, and your store should be connected with your domain. Then only you will able to add your store URL. So just click on connect with WooCommerce and it will redirect to you there, and it will just connect in just few seconds. If you just get this message, please enter our valid URL, then you can just go here. For example, you have to just go to Shopify or WooCommerce, and here just write here your domain, right? And just open it up. Here I don't have a that store live, that's why the username it's not coming, but in your case your store should be live. And when it's live, just enter that URL here and click on connect with WooCommerce, and in just few seconds it will get connected. I hope you found this video very useful.